Welcome back, continuing the news. A mother is fighting against time as she seeks a lifeline for her young daughter battling cancer. From mounting medical bills to low income, the family's challenges are becoming burdensome. As Sandy Williams reports, they're appealing to the public for assistance.
When Savannah Bennett hears music, it's like the world around her disappears. Her feet and hands move gracefully in sync with the beat, and her smile lights up the room. But behind her happy demeanor is a battle few can see, a battle with cancer. At just 9 years old, Savannah is fighting for her life. It all started about 9 months ago. What Savannah and her family thought was maybe an infection in her right eye turned out to be a diagnosis no one expected: rhabdomyosarcoma. It's a rare cancer involving the area around the eye and is most often found in children. Stacey Ann Bennett is Savannah's mother.
It stressed me out a lot. Maybe not look like me stress, but me stress sometimes I can't sleep. I think about it. It's not easy.
Savannah has started chemotherapy, and unlike her peers, that means not being able to start grade 4. Another pushback, her preparations for the primary exit profile.
Yes, she has 21 sessions of the chemo and she only gone 2. Reason being, the third one was interrupted. The third one was interrupted because of many complications. One of the complications is that her heart rate is beating faster than it should, and the next one is her blood count. Her blood count went down very low. She's now doing the radiation, but she not really cope with that one. Maybe because of the complication that you heard, she's scared of that. So maybe that's why she's not coping with that.
The treatments are expensive, and the bills have been piling up with each passing day. Ms. Bennett explains that juggling the role of caregiver and provider is difficult, and as a part-time worker, her income is just not enough to meet her daughter's medical demands.
If I should go to the hospital for per the week, it's going to cost me more than $7,000 if I should to go to the hospital for the week. Sometimes I can go only 3, depends. Because if I find myself with any cash, I go like 3 times, 4 times, sometime in the night. It's been a while, I haven't been there in nights, but I try to make it every day. But it's not possible.
Determined not to give up, she has taken her fight to the public.
If there anyone out there who can assist me with like medically, if you don't really want to reach out to me personally, if you want to reach out to the hospital, you can reach out to the hospital, because you know you have some Jamaican mentality, what they have to say. So if persons want to reach out, you know, I have all the information here. So anything towards a medical bill, towards a transportation fee, anything.
If you would like to assist Savannah, you may contact her mother at 876-434-0822. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.